EV cars. Obviously, Tesla has been talks of, the stock world, business world, the nation for quite some time. And an electric car maker today, Rivian, their stock soars. I think they hit, something like $100 some today.
The Rivian, the Rivian IPO. It just IPO today.
IPO today. And if you look at stocks like Tesla, there's another one that's in my portfolio named Arrow. There's another one named FUV, FUV, AYRO. These are the different EV stocks. And if you look at them again, I'm going to give you this 5-year period. They're looking very nice over a 5-year period. I mean, you could have got these, I think at some like $1 or something like that. Go look for yourself, check out their graphs. But my point is if you would have held any of these, Tesla included, for 5 years, you're looking pretty good. So, the stock is $110 some. If you hold it for 5 years, I think you're looking good. One of the big things that's really blowing them up and giving them a lot of buzz is they've been able to put a pickup truck out. They're calling it the R1T, and it's supposed to hit the market this fall. So they're really the first EV company, battery-powered vehicle that's put a truck out, and that's what a lot of people have been waiting for. The Cybertruck had a lot of eyeballs, a lot of interest when it was first announced there with Tesla. This truck, one in the same. I'm not saying it's a Cybertruck, but I'm saying that it's getting a lot of attention here in the marketplace, and I think that's why the stock soared. So, I think if you're looking at EVs, if you've been in them for the last 5 years, that it's been some nice returns, and I think you'll probably see that with Rivian, especially since they got a product actually hitting the market. I mean, that's a big deal.
Well, I mean, I was looking at the Rivian. They started their IPO at $57 to $62, and that was what they started to file it at. After that, they boosted it up to $72 to $74. It ended up going all the way up to $100, $106, nice. And it ended up opening at $106, ended up closing at $100.73.
Okay.
So it beat its offering price by $22. They were able to raise $11.9 billion for their truck you're talking about.
Yeah.
So that's pretty impressive. They're going to have a lot of trucks going out, and that actually happened to be the 7th largest U.S. IPO that's ever released.
Wow.
And some of the names on this list are pretty impressive, like Alibaba debuted, $25 billion they raised.
Wow, okay.
Visa, 19.7, GM, 18.4. So, I mean, they're up there with some massive names.
That's impressive.
I am sweating. Jay, can you get me a towel? I am sweating right now. My goodness.
Are you nervous over there?
No, I'm not nervous. It's hot, and I got freaking sweatpants on. My gosh. Thank you, Jay. Woo. Thank you.
It's a good thing we got a producer back there. My man, don't get it on my table.
And, and
on
I'm just,
the mic
what's getting me so hot and sweaty right now? This Rivian stock news,
Right.
My money's going up, so I'm getting all hot and sweaty.
That does get me hot and bothered too, Aaron.
You know what I'm saying? So there we
go. Stocks, when
but
the money starts flowing,
it starts flowing and going.
Juices get to going.
And you start sweating. So that's it. But yeah, so the Rivian stock popped up.